So up on the hoist this morning, we've got Adrian's 2018 Harley Davidson Sports Glide. It's come in for a couple of new Metzeler tyres. Nice bike this, and he rides the wheels off it. And yeah, he's certainly got his life out of the tyres. And with some internet magic, I'll be able to replace them in about 3 seconds time. So watch this. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. It's that easy. Brand new Metzelers, fitted and balanced. There we go. That should keep him a bit safer. Alright, another one done. Out the door.